Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, let us continue with the practice of MCQs on the basis of article writing. So let me write down the question here. Sanjeev became a conscientious citizen. It should be conscious. Sanjeev being a conscious citizen. Sanjeev being a conscious citizen is pained to see how Sanjeev being a conscious citizen is pained to see how Indian is pained to see how Indian democracy Sanjeev being a conscious citizen is pained to see how Indian democracy has become a luxury for rich. Has become a luxury for rich. Has become a luxury for rich. He decided to present his views. He decided to present his views. He decided to present his views in the form of an article. In the form of an article. Number 1. Select the option from the given list. Select the option from the given list. Select the option from the given list which suits the title for his article. Which suits the title for his article. Select the option from the given list which suits the title for his article. Okay, number 1. Democracy, a boon for politicians. Option A. Democracy, a boon for politicians. A boon for politicians. B. Democracy, a blessing for the rich. Democracy, a blessing for the rich. Democracy, a blessing for the rich. C. Democracy, a pipe dream for the poor. Democracy, a pipe dream for the poor. Democracy, a pipe dream for the poor. D. Democracy, a haven for the leaders. Democracy, a haven for the leaders. Democracy, a haven for the leaders. Okay, so which one is correct according to question? Sanjeev, being a conscious citizen, is pinned to see how Indian democracy has become a luxury of rich. So simply it is the suitable title is has become a luxury of rich. Okay, so democracy a boon for politicians, democracy a blessing for the rich, democracy a pipe dream for the poor, and democracy a haven for the leaders. Yes, so the correct option is B. Democracy is blessing for the rich. Okay, according to the question. Let me rub it and write down the next question for you. Next question. Select the option which throws select the option which throws select the option which throws light on the ideals of democracy, which throws ideals of democracy A. Democracy is the ideal word. Democracy is the ideal worth achieving and philosophy worth practicing, B. Democracy is healthy self-government. Democracy is healthy self-government. Democracy is healthy self-government. And C. Democracy is about rights and responsibilities of citizens. Democracy is about rights and responsibilities, rights and responsibilities of citizens. Democracy is about rights and responsibilities of citizens. And D is democracy is about growth of a nation. Democracy is about growth of a nation. Okay, so select the option which throws ideas of democracy. Democracy is the ideal worth achieving and philosophy worth practicing. Democracy is healthy self-government. Democracy is about rights and responsibilities of citizens. Democracy is about growth of nation. So which one is correct? Yes, democracy is the ideal worth achieving and philosophy worth practicing. Option A is correct. So let me rub it and discuss more questions on based of articles. So now let me show you questions on your screen with the help of a PDF, and let us discuss a few more questions. So let me show you the PDF on your screen. So now question number 3. Sanjeev has to begin his article with which one of the given statements you think would be appropriate to begin with? A. It should begin with the definition of democracy. It should be with an example about relevance to the article. It should start by quoting an incident related to the topic. It should be with the saying of any great personality. So which one is correct? Yes, option B. We all know that it is more relevant. It should be with an example about relevance to the article. Fourth one. The thought process of Sanjeev is likely to match with which one of the options given below? Defining democracy, history of Indian freedom struggle, making of our constitution, present conduct of elections, conclusions, briefing concept of democracy, misuse of it by wealthy, inequality, power not distributed equally, summarizing, defining democracy, instances of present scenario, reminiscent of past, Solvay's conclusion. So which one is more appropriate? So here once again D is also there. Defining democracy, instances of present scenario, reminiscent of past, solves, summarizing the point of view. So which option is more suitable here? Yes. So which one is more appropriate? A and B cannot be possible. So in C and D, which one is more appropriate? Yes, it is D. Defining democracy, instances of present scenario, reminiscent of past, salvage, summarizing the point of view. Fifth one, which one of the given statements summarizes his article the best? Only when free and fair elections are held does the spirit of democracy flourish. Only when the shift is from personal interest and political beliefs true democracy sustains. Only when honest leaders contest, people from all walks of life enjoy, it should be life here, life enjoy true democracy. D. Only when money is not a key factor in elections, then true democracy flourishes. So yes, we all know that here option C is correct, that is only when honest leaders contest and people from all walks of life enjoy true democracy. Sixth one, the article can be an argumentative, narrative, descriptive, discursive. So we all know that article should be discursive. D is correct. Question number 7. The article can be a piece of skillful writing as it fulfills one of the below. Option A, suitable title, high flown language, vocabulary, construction of sentences. B, fancy title, coherence of ideas, relevance, lucid expression. C, relevant title, relevant language, expression of ideas, impressive presentation. D, suitable title, lucid expression, verbose, related jargon. So which option is correct here? The correct option is which one? Yes, it is C. Relevant title should be there, relevant language should be there, expression of ideas and impressive presentation. Now article writing, question 2. Answer any 6 of the given question. Rajiv runs a health club. He is surprised to find a large number of people seeking membership in his club. He had also observed that the members are of high profile and are health conscious. Rajiv decided to write an article on people who have realized the value of health and the several reasons for the shift of thinking among people. First one, help Rajiv to pick a suitable title for his article. Now what is the question? Rajiv runs a health club. He is surprised to find a large number of people seeking membership in his club. He had also observed that the members are of high profile and are health conscious. Rajiv decided to write an article on people who have realized the value of health and several reasons for the shift of thinking among people. Help Rajiv to pick a suitable title for his article. Modern life, luxury with all facilities? No. Modern life, an economically healthy life? No. Modern life, a busy but independent life? Modern life, sans health? Yes, so we will go with D. Modern life, sans health. Question number 2. While writing an article, he should keep in mind that the article should be an warning to the readers, advertisement about his club, guiding the readers, awareness to the readers. Yes, so D here, awareness to the readers is correct. Rajiv lists out some factors that impact health of people due to the life they are living, conditions they are living in. So which option is correct? Option A, lack of time, sedentary lifestyle, no social life, no physical activity. B, unhealthy lifestyle, insecure feeling, lack of sleep, stress. C, leisure, luxuries, comforts, facilities. D, pollution, congestion, overpopulation, urbanization. So we all know here the writer is talking about lack of time, sedentary lifestyle, no social life, no physical activities. So option A is correct. If you want to suggest a tagline to his article, which one of the following will you suggest? Life is worth living, don't ruin it. Health is precious wealth. Health cannot be exchanged with any riches. Health is lost, everything is lost. So we all know that the last one, D, is the most suitable here. The below statement is picked from the article. Fill in the gaps in the statement with the suitable words and phrases given below to complete it. Maintaining a healthy body is not that dash and so difficult also. Always there is a need to be healthy because unhealthy body dash. So what should be there? We cannot write difficult because difficult is already there. So option A and C is cancelled. Let's check which one is more suitable from B and D. Starting with easy. Easy will be attracted by many diseases and easy will not be attracted by many diseases. So simply it is option C. Okay. A cannot be possible. Difficult will not be attracted by many diseases. It is incorrect. Already difficult is there. and C, difficult will be attracted by many. It is also incorrect. So B, option B is the most suitable option here. Now, which one of the posters represents the theme of the article? Yes, which one? Modern lifestyle, no. Healthy, and option C, health, and option D. So which one? It is option B, this picture. The picture which is given in option B here represents the theme of the article, which is about health. Question number 7. What precautions should the writer take to avoid making his article a stereotyped one or boring one? It should be well presented with necessary illustrations. It should start with an attractive quote to impress the readers. It should be difficult vocabulary to show knowledge of the writer. It should be too simple and easy to grasp. Yeah, so which one is correct? Yes. It should start with an attractive quote that impresses the readers. So it's all about this video lesson, dear students. In the next video lesson we will discuss a few more questions on article writing. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.